Hi there and welcome back to Spanish with Maeve. Today we are going to continue with the verb to need, necesitar. Last week we saw he or she needs, él o ella necesita, and this week we are going to see you too. Are you ready? Let's start. Necesita, he or she needs, we add an es. And that means necesitas, you need. Let's do some sentences. And the first sentence is you need a coat. Necesitas un abrigo. Did you realize we put the S and the second sentence is you need an umbrella. Necesitas un paraguas. The third sentence is you need a woolly hat. Necesitas un gorro. It's very cold. Hace mucho frío. And the fourth sentence is you need a taxi. Necesitas un taxi. And the fifth sentence is you need a hotel. Necesitas un hotel. Remember, we don't pronounce the H. Thank you for learning with me today. And if you like my videos, please give me a like. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye. Muchas gracias por estar conmigo hoy. Espero que os haya gustado esta lección. Si es así, por favor, darme un like y os veo en la próxima. Gracias. Adiós.